Welcome to computer coding class. Today our program is how to transfer data frame data to MySQL table. First of all, we will import Excel data to Python pandas data frame. Then after creating data frame, we will transfer this data frame to MySQL table. This is the Excel table which we will transfer to data frame. Now we will create a blank database table in MySQL where we will transfer our data frame data. Here I am creating a table name product with fields product ID, product name, type, company and price. This is a blank table where we will transfer our data. I am using MySQL. Now coding. First of all, we will import all necessary package. First one is pandas, second one is MySQL connector driver and third one is error. Next we will import our Excel file to blank data frame using read Excel command. Here Excel file is stored at the same folder where our source code file is stored. In next we will run this program and check whether our data frame Excel data. This is the print command of data frame. Now we will run this program. You can see here we have successfully imported data from Excel to our data frame. Now we will create our function that transfer data frame data to Excel. There is a single argument, that is the data frame. Now we will start exception handling block. First one is try block. Here we are creating connection. In connection we will give host name, that is our local host. Here I am using Apache web server whose IP address is localhost. By default the username of MySQL is root, whose password is 1234. Database we are using is CCC and last is character set, that is Unicode True Font 8. Next we will create our cursor. After creating cursor we will create query and then execute query. Here we are executing a query to delete previous stored data in our table. This is necessary because when you run this program again and again, then it will duplicate all the data in your table. So when you run this program, first it will delete all previous data. Here we are using command delete from product to delete all the records of the table. Then commit means permanent saving of data. Next we are using Python pandas for loop to transfer data from data frame to different variable. Here we are just breaking each row in different columns so that we can transfer these column in our database table. Here RS, that is a series, and PID, product ID, name, type, company, price are the columns that are called fields of our table. That start first column means 0 column. Now I am creating a query string to insert all these columns value in our table. Here we will use query insert into product value. Now there is a tree to store all our fields in SQL query. Here if your column is numericals, then there is no need of any type of single quotes or double quotes. But if there is any string, then we will have to cover that fields in single or double quotes. Here you can see PID, that is the product ID, is a numerical value, so we didn't encode this field. But product type, company, all these fields are string, so that are encoded with single quotes. In this way we created our query to insert data. Now we will execute this query by using command execute. Committing all the data and then closing of our cursor. Next block is except, that is called catch block. Here we will print the error. If any error come in our catch part, try part, then we will print that error in catch part. And last block is finally, where we will close our connection. Now main block our, here we have already created our data frame. Now we will run data frame to SQL function and pass our data frame, that transfer all our data from a table to data frame, and we will print that data frame. Now we have completed our program. Next we will run our program. We have successfully transferred our data from data frame to MySQL. Now we will check our table whether data transferred or not. You can see here we have successfully transferred data to table. Thank you very much.